Hey guys, let's run through some of the features of our surf hooks. The hook is made out of all stainless steel. It's got these radiuses on top, so there's no sharp edges. If you're resting your board in here and it does hit this, so if you got a fiberglass board, no sharp edges there. The clamps that mount onto either our ladder or our surf pole are all custom billet aluminum, 6000 series, anodized with a UV coating so they don't fade. The bushings are self-lubricating UHMW, so you can crank them down and get that really tight, compressed feel with them so they're not bouncing around, but also they slide really smooth. The EVA foam that's on here is custom laser cut and has that diamond pattern like a traction pad. Also keeps your board safe if you're throwing it in here without a bag. The hooks have two locking points, a lock in and a lock out. It's kind of 90 degree. It can also flip over to the other side, so depending on which side you want to run them, how wide you want them to be spaced apart, how wide your hook is, you can flip flop them, but they kind of have a dead stop there, dead stop here. You get to tighten and set the tension with this center bolt here, so you can kind of set how firm you want them to be. When the hooks are stowed away, they are perfectly flush with the face of the tube, so they don't add any distance off the van. When they are open, they actually sit proud of your ladder or the tube and keep your board off of the surface behind there. So no rubbing, no scratching, nothing from those. On the back side of the hook, there are these little eyelets for your straps, one at the bottom to go through, and then 3 different heights depending on how tall your board is. You want to make sure that you get that strap coming back down on the board and not up, so that it really sucks it down into this corner and holds it in there tight. The shape of the hook has a hard inside corner. Some of the hooks that are round all the way down like a J shape are really hard to suck down tight because it wants to roll out. So this kind of hard inside corner allows you to suck your board flat back against it and really lock it down tight if you're going highway speeds and you want to make sure that it's safe on there. That's the surf hook. We hope that it makes your life easier, keeps the boards outside of your van instead of on the inside, frees up some space for you. If there's questions you got or something we didn't cover, hit us up at customer service. Our crew would love to talk to you.